Hey there, this is Frens Peters from Lotus Holland of the Netherlands. For all you users of our Lotus Holland reclaimer system, I'm here with you for another tech tip. This time about tightening the green belts in your last module. So here's what you do. You can take out these pipes if you want to for better access. And now you put these blocks down all the way, like this. So now this green belt I will show you is one continuous belt. From the bottom here on this block, it goes under that wheel with the bearing, all the way up over this wheel and back to that block. When you put them down like this, you have all the length to pull on. Now what you do is, on this side with your hand, you pull it up, and on the other side, you pull it down. You see how much slack I got already. And now you take your screwdriver and you just open these top nuts like this. There you go. Now you can pull through that cord. So with the cutter, you just cut the slack. Just leave a little bit at 2 inches. There you go. So you have to do this every month. The green belt keeps on extending over its lifetime, and every month you need to tighten them to make sure that these nozzle plates go up and down gradually and easily and clean your screen very nicely. After this, you don't need to reset anything. Just put back the pipes, close the door, and you're ready to go again. Thank you for watching. I hope this tech tip was useful for you. See you next time with a Lotus Tech Tip.